Good afternoon, YouTubers and fellow printers. Here we have the Pursa Mark 3S. A very expensive mistake I've made. I have broken the cable on the heated element for the hot end. That will cost you £6 odd. I think it's £6.75 plus postage, say £12. I didn't think you could buy the element, so I sent off for the complete unit, which is, with the fast postage, £82. I've made a big booby, but there again. Life is for living, and I make mistakes. I'll show you the part that's damaged and how to repair the hot end element. No, not repair the hot end element, because you can't repair that. But I will show you all the bits and pieces that go with it. Silly mistake. I should have cold pulled it, but I just could not get the filament out of the core of the hot end. It just wouldn't come out. And as I went to pick it out, the cable snapped off. And I ended up actually drilling the core out and freeing it off that way. The nozzle was okay. It was just the inner core where the cooling part is. There's a little gap, and I'll show you where that is now. So I just don't want you to make the same mistake as me. Right, so this is the offending part. Inside there, in the core, was completely blocked. I tried the needle. I tried everything, trying to get it out. It wouldn't come out. But I didn't know that this actually comes undone. This part comes off there, and that's it, off. So you can get straight to the core. You can see straight through it. I couldn't do that before. That's the block. You have your nozzle screwed into there. Now this is the part that broke. There's a wire, another wire that fits onto there, and there's the other end of it. There, that goes onto the end of there. But what it is, inside this element is a piece of steel cable, which is pushed in, obviously glued or something, I don't know how they do it, and then they solder, somehow they weld it to this cable here. So you can see it there, look, there's the joint. So the first process is they make that, then they attach it to that. I haven't looked under that coupling, but these, you can buy these without the plug on, because there's the plug that goes into the board. That's the plug that goes into the board. Now this part, without the plug, because it's only two contacts. It's actually, you can, there's two screws in there. You just undo them and put the original plug in. I say this, the whole unit is £71. Then I had the express delivery, which was £10. So it's coming up to about £82. But I didn't know, I didn't see this in their catalogue. I panically behind it. I was panicked when I thought, oh no, I broke it. I've got to get a whole unit. So I quickly ordered it and suddenly realised you can buy this unit. Now this unit slots into there. That just comes into there. But what you have to do, because of all the mess and old filament that's on the back of here, what was on the back of here, I had to get it off with a blow lamp. And I don't know if I've done right, because I may have damaged the thermostat, this thermostat here. So I may have damaged that, I don't know. But I mean, that goes up to what, 250 odd degrees. So I should imagine you could take it. Anyway, that's my problem. I don't want you to have the same problem. So yes, you can buy this with postage around about 12 quid. The whole unit with postage, express postage, £82. So yeah, that's about the last thing I needed, because I've got lots of things to print. Luckily I have got the 2S, but I wanted the 2 printers working, but yeah. And also, because you've got all the gunk, this screw is really hard to get out. So if you are attempting to repair it, be prepared. Don't try and do it with all the crap around it. Clean it off and then try and put a little bit of heat to it. I tried to get the thermostat out, the little sensor here, but my Allen key just kept spinning. So if that's gone, well, it's gone. That's it. But yeah, all in all, an expensive little thing. I've sent off for this and the full unit, so it's cost me about 100 quid. So yeah, a little bit annoyed, but there you go. It's a hobby and I enjoy it. So yeah. Anyway, I bid you farewell, and please, if you're unblocking, like they say, be careful. They really mean be careful, because the attachment to this, the attachment on there is so mean. It really is. It just snapped off. I lowered it down to the bed, turned it round to have a look at it, and yeah, next thing I know, the wires come off. Just popped off. I thought it was a bit. I mean, you can see. You get a close up on that. It's a piece of steel wire, and as soon as it starts bending it, it snaps. So please, even if you're doing the assembly, don't put any pressure on them, and follow to the book exactly. Because if you can't repair this, you'll be sending off for your £71 hot end assembly. Okay, it all comes assembled, but yeah, but it cost me 12 quid instead of 82. I don't want to keep going on about money because it's really annoyed me. So anyway, I'll bid you farewell, YouTubers and fellow printers. And I hope you don't have the same problem as me. Bye bye.